Today we are going to learn how to do the block printing using natural blocks. I'm going to use a potato for this. Of course the knife is required. To draw something, I'm taking a marker. It's a CD marker. We need a brush, acrylic colors or poster color as per the need. If you are doing that on a paper, then you can use poster color. If you want to do that on fabric, then you need to use acrylic colors. I'm going to give you a demo on a sheet. We are creating a card here. So I'm going to use a sheet, a ball for water, and you need a sponge and a waistcloth. Let's cut the potato into half and clean this so that when we will use marker on it, it can be drawn, though it will be a light drawing. A rough idea you need to draw here. I'm creating a flower here. Is it visible, everyone? Okay. So after this, you will be using cutting and twist your hand as per the shape of your petals, and cut the extra remove the extra part. One petal we done. Now let's do that with the another petal. And deduct this extra part. Same way you will be doing the cutting of all the petals. Same way I have done the cutting of a flower. Now let's do the cutting of a leaf with stem. So I'm going to draw the stem and then leaf. We need to cut this also. Same way flower and leaf cutting is done. Let's take the sheet and fold it into half. Now use this foam sheet and apply color of your flower. If it's our wish, if you want to use orange, red, as per your desire or availability, you can use that. Apply the color here on the sponge. So I have added color here. Now this foam sheet will work as a stem pad, and this is our stem. Now clean it once, place it on the foam sheet and check whether it's dip in color or not. Then just place it there where you want to create the flower. You need not to insert color again and again, just one time, and you can easily do it without bothering more. Same way you will be using the leaf stem. For that you will be using another sponge. To give it a designer look, I have added yellow in center and then green on both the end. Now it's time to use it. Clean this, place it on the You can check, and here we go. When you apply color once on the form sheet, you can create at least 30 flowers and leaves. You can see the mixing is done automatically in the leaves. Yellow and green both are giving a fabulous look to the card. Same way, you can also create cards, sceneries. Thank you so much for watching.